Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a creamy chicken breast parmesan. As usual, my recipes are easy to follow and today is no different. Try not to cook the dish too long so that it doesn't become dry. Let's start by seasoning the breast with salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Finally, add some marinade and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Sear the chicken breast in a hot skillet pan and cook on both sides for 3 minutes. Remove the chicken and add some diced onions and garlic. Add a cup of chicken stock and bring to a boil. Add 1 bay leaf and half cup of cream, a handful of grated parmesan cheese, some salt and pepper. We're going to stir that in. Some diced cold butter. Stir the butter in until everything becomes nice and creamy. Now let's add the chicken breast and reduce for 4 minutes. Finally, garnish with some chopped basil. So this is what the finished product looks like. Very easy, very simple, but extremely good and easy to make.